Hey, I'm Kandar. Like most of the Indians, I'm an engineer, but not an engineer. I'm a passionate digital marketer. My first step into digital marketing was actually a rejection that made me resilient, opportunist, and thrust towards achieving it. After 6 months of constant rejection, I landed at my first job. I was working on multiple projects, helping my sales team to achieve their targets. With a constant improvement in performance, I ended up handling team of 5 members, mentoring them and solving their client queries. Since childhood, I believe in one single theory, that is, jack of all and master of none. Believing it by my heart, I have played multiple sports like tennis, cricket, and martial arts. Not a black belt in martial arts, but I was ranked second at the age of 10 in one of the state tournaments. Also like political debates, and that is one of the reasons why I have participated in multiple MUNs, one being at a state level. Strength and weaknesses are subjective. As per the experience of my life, I always try to overcome my weaknesses and boost my strength. Just mentioned earlier, resilience is one of my strengths. It makes me visionary, helps me to achieve my goal. It is my mental strength. I have work strength too, which is to work on social media platform, help clients to achieve their goal by engaging the right audiences. Guess what? As social media is one of my strength, it is my weakness too. Being an introvert, I am not always active on social media platform. But guess what? I always try to overcome my weaknesses. Starting the journey with Bakoni, I have already tried to be much more active on social media platform. Playcom comes with a position of responsibility, and with my experience of leading a team of 5 has nurtured this quality in me. Second to none, a committee member of Playcom should have negotiation skills. And as mentioned earlier, with my experience in digital marketing, I have tried perfecting these negotiation skills by helping sales team in onboarding prospective clients. And also, I had 86% of stagnant retention ratios with my client. The most important and utmost necessary experience which I want to pass on to my fellow batchmate is getting a dream job. I have tasted half a medicine after 6 months of rejection, and I want to taste it again with best companies coming on board and hiring best performing students. I believe it would be an honor for me to serve this seat which my seniors has left for their descendants to take. In most of the cases, the thought which keeps me awake the whole night are the gaps in things which I want to succeed in and finding their ways to overcome it. The ice breaking session conducted by senior was really amazing. I was amazed to listen to the hobbies, achievement, and all the fun activities our senior had during working in the placement committees. I might not be having love for trekking, but I like political debates and discussion. And definitely, I am curious to interact with Saurabh.